All right, this part I want to talk about why I believe eating the animal products is associated with some of the cancer, because we know that cancer doesn't form in a day. It takes like 10 years or more than 10 years to have a cancer comes out. And what is cancer cells? A lot of people, they talk about cancer cells is actually the mutation of your normal regular cells. And the difference is the cancer cells usually at the end of the cycle, all the cells like when they form and then eventually at the end they will die. So, but the cancer cells, it doesn't die. It just constantly keep growing and then taking all the nutritions and then getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But it doesn't go to the cycle of death. So here's what I was thinking. For example, your body, is it still there? Okay. So like, for example, if your body is a factory, like your whole body is a factory, and all those immune cells are like the worker inside the factory. So your factory, for example, it only has 200 workers, which is your whole body also, of course your body has more than that, but just like it's try to picture that. If your whole body has only 200 workers, 200 immune cells there, but you constantly gathering them inside your digestive system to detect those animal cells. And then instead of to do their regular job, which is clean out the outsider, or when there's a cancer cells comes out, your body will detect it and say, oh, this is not regular cells, and then detect it and then clean out your system, which is put the cancer cell to death, like how regular cells supposed to. So is that why? Because you only has 200 workers, but you constantly take like 100 out of 200 to do the job of to stay in the digestive system, and then to misleading them, oh, there's actually outsider there is in your digestive system, because there's something looks like germs. They have a membrane and nucleus over there in your digestive system, and then instead of doing their real job, which is clean out your whole body's like refreshing your whole body system, and also clean out the outsider and detect the germs, those regular works. So there's the concept that like through the times, because you keep taking the like you keep ignoring or lagging of the regular work of those immune systems supposed to, which is part of it might be cleaning out the cancer cells. And then that's why the cancer cells can get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and eventually affect the function of your regular body and lives.